Here's a problem I ran into after soldering a couple of pipes together. You might have even heard about this job in one of the previous videos. This is actually something that happened at my house. I noticed that the bathtub, and don't look at the shape of the bathtub, this thing needs to be remodeled, but we are waiting for someone to move out of the house, and then we will remodel it when the bathroom can actually be taken care of a little more better. But anyway, after I soldered these pipes together, the bathtub or the shower valves wouldn't shut off. So I had to actually take them apart and see what was actually stuck inside of it. Now, before you do that, make sure that you cover up the drain with something just in case something falls out of the shutoff valve that you're taking apart. Even a towel, anything. Make sure that you block this area just in case something falls out. This is probably the best tip you're going to receive in this video. Cover this area before you get started on anything. This would apply to sinks also. Cover anything, because I can't tell you how many times I've heard of a story, including myself, have something fall down one of these drains and you're like, uh-oh. Now, after I took the valve apart, I don't know if you can see it right there, but there's actually a piece of solder that was stuck. And this isn't uncommon. If you're doing some plumbing repairs with copper pipes and you're soldering, it's not going to be uncommon. I've known plumbers that'll actually go turn a hose on at the end, try and find the farthest hose away, turn it on, let it run for a while, see if they can get rid of any debris that's stuck in there. And there it is. You can actually see how big it is sticking out there. And this should be flat, and it isn't. There's a little bump. So this was a large piece. So I just simply took the solder out, just knocked it out and put everything back together, and it was fine. But don't let this stuff leak for a long time, because that could add to other problems. Anyway, there you have it. If you do any pipe work, water supply work with solder and copper, don't be surprised. Wouldn't be a bad idea to go around and check all of your pipes, not your pipes, your faucets, and any of your valves, hose bibs, and make sure that they are not leaking from a piece of solder that actually got stuck in there somewhere.